Hey y'all, I'm just walking around out here in the yard just enjoying all the pretty flowers and everything, and it's just an absolute perfect day. And today, Michael's gonna be stopping in to help me make a tasty macaroni salad. All right, now I wanna share with y'all a quick and easy recipe.
Hey, Paula.
Why, hey, Michael, you've done with your yard work.
Yes, I am.
You've had a shower even.
Well, can I help you?
Yeah, I'm making macaroni salad.
Yum.
This is so simple, y'all, even Michael can make it.
There you go.
So I've cooked off 2 cups of macaroni. We're gonna add 3 hard-boiled eggs that I've cut up, Michael.
Okay.
We're gonna add 1 cup of celery. Now we're gonna add 1/4 of a cup of chopped bell pepper, a couple of tablespoons of green onions, and now we're gonna add a little pimento just for color. And if you don't like that, we can leave that out too. All right, now we're gonna add 1 cup of mayonnaise.
Yum.
We're gonna add a teaspoon of lemon pepper. We're gonna add 1 teaspoon of house seasoning. And then we're gonna add a little bit of mustard. Now you can use just a yellow prepared mustard, or you can use Dijon. And we're adding like a tablespoon. So just mix that together, Michael.
Okay.
And while you're stirring, I'm gonna add some fresh ground pepper because I know how you feel about that. It does take a good bit of salt for your macaroni salad because that starch is just gonna soak it up. And why don't you pour that in our bowl over there, Michael? A pretty little bowl. Just put it in there. That looks great. So take your bowl of macaroni salad and follow me. I want to take you to the table and show you everything that I've been cooking while you've been working in the yard. Okay, come on in, honey, and bring that macaroni salad. I can't wait to show you everything that I've made today. I know you've been busy, but I've been making summertime favorites out in the smokehouse. I think everybody's gonna love all these recipes that I've made today. They are just yummy and perfect for a nice summer day. All right, Michael, I want you to taste a little bit of the macaroni salad that you made.
I want to taste it.
Oh, it's so good. Isn't that yummy?
Delicious.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.